Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another hair related product review for you guys, and it is the Onion Hair Serum. I'm not too sure if you guys have seen this going around TikTok and YouTube, but I wanted to try it out myself and see if it actually really does what it does, because I've seen a lot of good reviews on this product. So obviously it got me interested because it's onions. This hair serum is made of onions, and if you guys didn't know, I did do an onion hair oil review on one of my previous videos. If you guys have not watched that video, make sure to check that out. It is a completely different brand though, but it is an onion hair oil review. And if you guys didn't know, onions do wonders for your hair, whether you're eating it or if you're just applying it to the scalp or to the lengths of your hair. Onions do wonders for your hair. So if you're looking to growing out your hair, or if you're just suffering from hair fall, I would totally recommend you guys trying onions for your hair. Please excuse my ugly chapped nails, but this is how the bottle looks like, and it has onion and biotin in it. It is also for strong frizz-free hair. It is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it's suitable for all hair types. And it's also a 100 ml bottle, by the way, so it's gonna last you a pretty decent time. And the best part is that it comes with the pump. It's a pump bottle, so it's just easy to apply it rather than any other kind of dispensing thing that comes on top. I prefer a pump. It's just mess free and it's just easier to use generally. And yeah, so on the back, this is the ingredients part, and it helps to reduce frizz. It reduces hair breakage. It makes hair soft and shiny. And you're supposed to take a few drops of serum onto your palm, rub your hands together, and distribute evenly along the length of your hair. It can be towel dried or dry hair. I personally use this on dry hair because that's just what I do with all serums. I don't like applying anything on towel dried hair because I do style my hair on some days, so I usually apply my serum when my hair is completely dried. I'm gonna start off with the product texture. This is really sticky, so the serum is really sticky. So when you apply it to your palms to apply it to your hair, it feels super sticky and tacky, but after it dries down, it becomes really nice. Like, you know, it really does tame your frizz and it just makes your hair look super shiny. But yeah, it's really sticky, and it has a really tangy scent to it. It sort of reminds me of the sourish scent that comes from apple cider. It does not smell of onions though, surprisingly, but it does not have like a pleasant scent to it, so I do need to warn you guys about that. If you guys are particular about the scent of the serum that you're using, then I'm not too sure if you're gonna like this, because this has a very weird sourish scent to it. Yeah, so far I actually been liking this serum. I think it's pretty good. It does make your hair feel really soft and makes it look shiny. So far so good with this serum. And if you guys are actually wanting to try it out, I would recommend this. But if you guys don't like strong scented serums, then I'm not too sure if you guys are gonna end up liking this. But the scent sort of goes away after a while when you apply it to the ends of your hair, so it does not really bother me. And also, one last thing I forgot to mention, it is cruelty free, which is very important for me. So yeah, that is actually it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.